Hey guys, what's up? So in this quick video I'm going to show you how you can get this which mallu actor are you filter on Instagram. So this is the filter. To use this filter, just press and hold the camera button. Wait for it. Okay, so this is the filter. Wait for it. To get this filter on Instagram, just visit the creator profile. Ritin is the creator of this effect. You can follow him to unlock these filters to your Instagram camera tray. So check in his filter gallery. This is the filter, mallu actor. Tap on it and you will see this preview. From here you can save it to your Instagram camera tray and you can tap on try to try the filter. Okay, and suppose you are not getting the effect like this, then what you can do, just visit this website. Link to this website I'll give you in the description box below. So here in this website you will see link to the filter. Just tap on the link and open it with Instagram. Okay, and that's it, you got the filter. So that's it guys. Likewise you can get this effect on Instagram. So thanks for watching the video guys. See you on the next video.